first time wearing her new shoes.
Oh my God.
What is that, Mitch? That is the best. What's up with your shoes? Stomp your feet. Stomp them. Run. Oh, that is the greatest.
Those are naughty shoes.
It's like cat hair on the floor. Horrified. So she's like, what is wrong with my shoes? Reaching down, poking them. Oh, wow! She loves it. She don't want you near her shoes. Back up. Give her some space so she can keep squeaking. She thinks it's great. It's the greatest thing ever, huh? Say thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mommy. Run, Gideon, run. Distracted by Diego. Look at those cute little shoes. Stomp her feet. Stomp them. Stomp. Yeah. Don't pull on your bows. Miss. Whoa, don't fall. That is so cute. Who needs to learn how to do tap dancing when they can just walk around in squeaker shoes? So much fun. See how happy she is, Dad. You can't get annoyed at the squeaking. It makes her too happy. She's got tears in her eyes. She's so happy. You like those eyes? Whoops, sorry, sweetie. What's your head, sweetie? Like I done. I have awesome shoes. Okay, I'll shut this off now. Kadia, say bye-bye. Kadia, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Kadia, say bye-bye to the camera. Too busy squeaking.